Understanding the phrase, run with the pack. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, run with the pack. Understanding phrases like these can really enhance your fluency in English, as they are often used in everyday conversations, literature, and media. Let's explore what it means to run with the pack, and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations. The phrase, run with the pack, is an idiomatic expression in English. To understand it better, let's break it down. Run, in this context, doesn't literally mean to move swiftly on foot. Instead, it's used metaphorically to indicate going along with or following. With indicates association or being in the company of others. The pack refers to a group, often implying a sense of unity or common purpose among its members, much like a pack of wolves. So, when we put it all together, to run with the pack means to conform to the majority or follow what the larger group is doing. Understanding how to use run with the pack in conversation can help you sound more like a native speaker. Here are a few examples. In a social context, at school, he always preferred to run with the pack rather than stand out with unique interests. In a business setting, the company decided to run with the pack and adopt the industry standard software instead of developing their own. Regarding personal choices, she never really liked to run with the pack. She's always had her own style and preferences. Choosing to run with the pack can have both positive and negative implications. On the positive side, it can indicate belonging. Being part of a group can provide a sense of security and identity. Conformity. Following established norms can lead to acceptance and reduce conflict. On the negative side, it might suggest lack of individuality. Constantly conforming can stifle personal creativity and uniqueness. Peer pressure. The desire to fit in can lead to making choices that don't align with one's own values or interests. I hope this exploration of the phrase, run with the pack, has been enlightening. Understanding such phrases not only helps you with language fluency but also offers insights into cultural attitudes and values. Remember, whether you choose to run with the pack or carve your own path is a personal choice, each with its own set of challenges and rewards. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more helpful videos to improve your English language skills. Happy learning!